Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede BBQ, and today we're making a bacon grilled cheese sandwich on a Memphis Pro Cart ITC3. So the first thing that we want to do is light up the Memphis Wood Fire Grills, and here's how we do that. We're going to start up the Memphis Wood Fire Grill, and we want to set it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're using apple or cherry pellets for this cook. Now when the Memphis Wood Fire Grill is sitting at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to start preparing the crispy bacon, and here's how we're going to do that. We want to cut a pound of bacon into half, and then we want to place this on an elevated rack in an aluminum pan. We're going to season each bacon slice on each side with our favorite barbecue rub. We use our Big Swede BBQ Badass Pork Boost for this one. Only season one side because you don't want the barbecue rub to be overpowering. Then we're going to place the bacon in the grill. Now we're going to smoke this for 20 to 30 minutes, depending on how crispy you want them. Halfway through, you want to flip them over. When ready, remove from the grill. The smoked bacon is now ready, so it's time to crank up the temperature to 550 degrees. The Memphis Wood Fire Grill is now sitting at 550 degrees, so it's time to start preparing the bread. And here's how we do that. We want to grate 4 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese into a bowl. Then we want to add 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And we also want to add 3 tablespoons of butter. Then you want to mix this thoroughly and set aside. Now it's time to spread 3 tablespoons of butter on one side of the sourdough bread slices. Then place the bread butter side down on the grill and grill until golden brown, about 2 to 3 minutes. When ready, remove from the grill. To assemble the sandwiches, top the toasted side of the bread slices with creme de brie, which is a brie spread. You can also use brie slices. Next, we want to add a couple of slices of Gruyere cheese. Then we want to season with some herbs. We use our Big Swede BBQ Badass Veggie Boost. Then we're going to add a couple of slices of sharp white cheddar cheese. We want to add a couple of slices of bacon and also a couple of slices of Monterey Jack cheese. We want to place the remaining bread slices on top of the cheese slices with the toasted side facing inwards. And now we're going to spread the mayonnaise mixture on the outside of each sandwich. We want to place the sandwiches on the grill and cook until bread is golden brown and cheese is melted. 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Then it's time to remove the bread from the grill. The last thing that we want to do is slice the sandwiches diagonally, and then they're ready to serve. And that is how I make my bacon grilled cheese sandwich on the Memphis Pro Cart ITC3. Now, if you want to know more about Memphis Wood Fire Grills, check out their website, memphisgrills.com, and I think I've waited long enough, so here we go, a bacon grilled cheese sandwich. Crispy bacon, the different cheeses blends really well. This is really good. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.